Hi, my name is Jessica Delfino, and I'm a performer and musician here in New York City. I also teach guitar and ukulele, and you can find out more information about that at urocknyc.com. That's YOUROCK-NYC.com. Today we're going to talk about developing your fingers for playing guitar. There's a few different exercises you can do that can help you get nimble fingers, because that's what you want when you're playing guitar. You want your fingers to be strong and fast and steady and develop muscle memory. So here's a really easy exercise that you can do. You just take your pointer finger, your middle, your ring, and your pinky, and they're going to go in a row on each string headed up the fretboard. So it's going to look something like this. Now with your right hand, you are plucking the appropriate string that you're fretting. So this is actually a great exercise for both hands. It shows your left hands a little bit of dexterity, and it shows your right hand where your strings are. Now sometimes you'll do something like this. So if you hear that sound, that means that you're on the wrong string. So just look down and try again. There are lots more exercises that you can do, but this is a great one to start with for developing your fingers for playing guitar. Thanks a lot for watching. Lots of luck to you. Have a nice day.